Hello children, how are you? I hope that everybody are fine and safe. Okay children. So now we were studying about lesson 5 clothes. Okay. In our last video, we have discussed how the clothes are being prepared. So how the clothes are being prepared children? From the fabric that we get from the animals or plants. And we have also learned that there are few things that are being made by man. Those are called as man-made fabric. Do you remember all these points children? If so, very good. And in this video, let us learn few more things about clothes. What we are learning children? Clothes, our clothes. So clothes, clothes. So children, there are mainly two uses of wearing clothes. What are those? To cover our body. Yes, by using the clothes, we are covering our body. And nextly, you can protect your body from dust, insects or injuries. Right children? Okay. And in this session, we will talk about the uniform that is being used by many people in the society. So children, if you see a doctor, what does a doctor or a nurse wear? Those people wear white colored coats. Yes children? Very good. What does a policeman or a fireman wear? Children, they also wear a particular colored uniform. Right children? And if you see a lawyer wears a black color coat. Yes, not only to protect our body, but you are using clothes to show the specification of the work that they are doing. Okay. So there are few professions or duties where different people use different kinds of clothing. Okay children. So different people working in different sectors like lawyers, doctors, policeman, traffic constable. Yes, children? See, all these people wear a particular kind of cloth on their body to show their profession or duty. Okay, children? So now let us learn about the clothes used for work. Okay. Okay. Clothes for work. So what are the different types of clothes that are used generally by the different professional people? So children, see here, the doctors and nurses, they wear white coats. They wear white coats. Generally these coats are made up of cotton. These white coats are made up of cotton, or sometimes they are made up of man-made materials like polyester. Okay children. So the white coats can be of cotton, which is a natural fiber, or which are made up of polyester. Okay. Soldiers, policemen. Yes children, the soldiers have a particular uniform, right? I think you know, every child know what is the uniform of the soldier. Everybody love to wear their uniform also. Okay. And the policeman. Even the policeman and the soldiers, they have a particular uniform for them to wear. Even these uniforms are generally made up of polyester. Okay. So that children, the uniform will not have wrinkles or and they will not be wet very soon. ఎందుకంటే the polyester is having a capability of not absorbing more water. Water తక్కువగా పీల్చుకుంటుంది. So that during the rainy season it will be very easy for them to have some comfort. ఒక వర్షంలో తడిచినా కూడా కొంచెం ఇబ్బంది లేకుండా they can feel. Okay. And next, especially you people, the school children. Do you observe children? Every school have a specific uniform. Why they are having specific uniform? Why? Because it gives dignity. అంటే స్కూల్లో అందరూ ఈక్వల్ అని చూపించడానికి యూనిఫామ్ యూజ్ అవుతుంది ఓకే అండ్ ఆల్సో in some at some cases if suddenly a person has been missed or a person have to be identified by any other person by looking at their uniform they can clearly identify the particular child belongs to particular school. See children, our school have gray color uniform. Yes, some schools have white color and brown color, right? And so on. So different schools have different kinds of uniforms just to identify that they are having some work. Like as I said, the doctors or nurses, soldiers or policemen or the students. Okay. So children, here uniform is must and should for some professions. And children, if you observe our school uniform, just go and check your school uniform. The shirt will be definitely of like cotton mixed rayon or sometimes it is like polyester. So that మీరు ఆడుకున్న తొందరగా చిరిగిపోదు. Like polyester is having very thickness in it. So that మీరు పడిపోయినప్పుడు కానీ లేకపోతే వాష్ చేసేటప్పుడు కూడా ఎక్కువ రోజులు ఉంటుంది అనమాట కాటన్ అనుకోండి తొందరగా చిరిగిపోయే అవకాశం ఉంటుంది బికాస్ ద ఫైబర్ ఇస్ వెరీ సాఫ్ట్ ద కాటన్ ఫైబర్ ఇస్ వెరీ సాఫ్ట్ బట్ దిస్ పాలియస్టర్ ఫైబర్ విచ్ ఇస్ అ లిటిల్ హార్డర్ అండ్ విచ్ ఇస్ హ్యావింగ్ ద కెపాసిటీ టు విత్ హోల్డ్ అంత తొందరగా చిరిగిపోదు అనమాట కొంచెం స్ట్రాంగ్గా ఉంటుంది అది సో దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ వై మోస్ట్లీ ద యూనిఫార్మ్స్ ఆర్ బీన్ మేడ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద polyester 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 material which is man-made fabric okay children very good and now the lawyers have a dress code called as black coat chusara chakkaga they will wear black coat and they will have a white color tie in their neck okay. See, by seeing or using those clothes, the people are having some dignity. వాళ్ళకి స్టైల్గా ఉంటుంది అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ దే ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ సమ్ డిగ్నిటీ వాళ్ళు టీచర్స్ వచ్చారు అండ్ డాక్టర్స్ వచ్చారు లేకపోతే లాయర్స్ వచ్చారు సో ఇన్ దిస్ వే యూ గివ్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు దర్ ప్రొఫెషన్ అండ్ ఆల్సో రెస్పెక్ట్ టు ద పర్సన్స్ ఎస్ ఆర్ నో చిల్డ్రన్ సో డెఫినెట్లీ బై లుకింగ్ ఎట్ దమ్ యా దిస్ ఇస్ పోలీస్ మ్యాన్ యూ సెల్యూట్ or he is a army person you salute them and is a doctor you say namaste right so because of the uniform or the dress or the clothes that they are wearing is giving them some dignity కొంచెం పరువు ప్రతిష్టలు వాళ్ళకి వస్తున్నాయి yes or no children very good and the factory workers okay if you see the factory workers the people who are working in a factory they will wear the dress like overalls. They are called overalls. What is this overall? This overall is a single piece dress. చూస్తే పై నుంచి ఇట్లా కింద దాకా ఒకటే డ్రెస్ లాగా ఉంటుంది ప్యాంట్ లాగా తొడుక్కోవడానికి ఉంటుంది ఫ్రమ్ ద టాప్ యూ హ్యావ్ బకిల్స్ టు కీప్ దీస్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ overalls okay children nowadays it has been fashion for the little kids also dongri so if you observe the pant is been attached with some top together so it is giving a single piece okay so here the factory workers are using this overalls sometimes these overalls are being made by some polythene material or rubber like material okay depending upon in which company they are using like if it is a chemical industry or a chemical factory there the people will use these overalls which are made up of like sometimes plastic also okay or polythene okay children and sometimes the people who are working in the pharmaceutical industries or paint industries there the people use the polyester overalls to protect their body okay so in these conditions they have to protect the whole body so that the factory. Generally, the people working in the factories, they prefer to use these overalls. And children, these overalls are also made up of fabrics only. Okay. Okay, children. Now we will learn about taking care of clothes. So, children, we know that clothes take care of us. Yes or no, children? They are covering our body, means they are taking care of us, and also they are protecting us from the dust or insect bites or the injuries. Yes, in the same way how the clothes are helping us, we should also take care of our clothes so that they can stay for longer periods of time. See children, as I said that cotton fibers are very soft. So if you wash them daily, what happens? After 3 to 4 washes, the cloth will tear away. Okay. So to stop doing like that, what we have to do? We have to show some care on the clothes so that they can be used in a long run. Okay children. See here on the board, taking care of clothes. So how we have to take care of clothes? We have to look after them so that they long last. చాలా ఎక్కువ కాలం మన్నుతాయి. ఒకవేళ మనం జాగ్రత్తగా చూసుకోలేదనుకోండి, బట్టలు ఇష్టం వచ్చినట్టు వాడామనుకోండి, ఏమైపోతాయి? తొందరగా చిరిగిపోతాయి, తొందరగా పాడైపోతాయి. ఓకే, సో వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డూ? Cotton, nylon, polyester, these kind of clothes should be washed with detergents. Okay, so cotton, nylon, polyester, such kind of clothes should be washed with detergents. DETERGENTS, detergents. So what are these detergents? These detergents means, see children, if you go outside and look in the like on the veranda or somewhere in the cupboard, your mother will keep the detergents or the washing powders. Tide, Wheel, Rin, Nirma. Okay, so these are called as detergents. So what your mother will do? Your mother will take a bucket of water. She will put some detergent into it. She will make a foam and she will use that water to clean the clothes, like your uniforms or your father's dress or your mother's sarees. Yes children, so these detergents are used for washing the clothes. Okay, so if we use the more amount of detergent also, that detergent can cause damage to the fiber present in the clothes. Why? Because the detergent is made up of chemical. Do you know that children? Okay, and the clothes are made up of plant material fibers and animal fibers. So these animal fibers and plant fibers are a little softer to touch than the chemicals. So when the chemicals are used to treat these fibers, after few times the fibers will become weak and they will tear themselves. Okay children, so cotton, nylon, polyester should be washed with detergents, not more detergent. Okay, minimum. Cotton clothes look crushed after drying, so they are ironed. Okay children, if you see your grandparents or like in the summer season, we use lot of cotton clothes. The cotton material have this property of getting crushed, అంటే నలిగిపోతుంది. ఉతికి చక్కగా ఇట్లా ఇట్లా పిండి పిండి చక్కగా ఆరబెట్టామనుకో, ఆరిపోయిన తర్వాత చూస్తే బట్టలు నలిగిపోయినట్టు ఉంటుంది. కావాలంటే చూడండి, యూ ఆస్క్ యువర్ మదర్ టు షో హర్ కాటన్ శారీ. ఓకే, బిఫోర్ ఐరనింగ్ అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ ఐరనింగ్. ఐరన్ చేయక ముందు, ఐరన్ చేసిన తర్వాత. సో వాట్ విల్ హ్యాపెన్? The cotton fiber will get crushed, అంటే ఇట్లా నలిగిపోతుంది. So what we have to do is, for the cotton clothes, ironing is important. So you have to do iron. బట్టలు ఐరన్ చేస్తామా లేదా? మమ్మీ వాళ్ళ యూనిఫామ్స్ అవి ఐరన్ చేస్తారా? ఓకే, వెరీ గుడ్. So especially the cotton clothes should be ironed after drying. Okay, in what other ways that we take care of the clothes? See children, mostly the silk or woolen clothes, they have to be washed gently. సిల్క్ కానీ వులెన్ క్లోత్స్ కానీ చాలా నెమ్మదిగా వాష్ చేయాలి. ఎలా పడితే అలా వాష్ చేయడానికి తెలియదు. వై బికాస్ దీస్ థ్రెడ్స్ ఆర్ వెరీ సాఫ్ట్. ఇట్లా గట్టిగా నలిపేస్తే చిరిగిపోతాయి. అర్థమైందా? సో వాటిని చాలా సాఫ్ట్గా ఇట్లా ఇట్లా జెంటిల్గా యూ హ్యావ్ టు వాష్ దెమ్. విత్ వాట్? విత్ మైల్డ్ డిటర్జెంట్స్. మైల్డ్ మీన్స్ గాఢత తక్కువ ఉన్నది, అంటే సాఫ్ట్గా ఉండే డిటర్జెంట్స్ అనమాట. ఎక్కువ చూడండి, సమ్ టైమ్స్ ఇఫ్ యూ గో అండ్ వాష్ ద వాషర్ మ్యాన్, చాకలి వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తారంటే బాగా దుప్పట్లకి ప్యాంట్స్ ఇట్లాంటివి యూజ్ చేసినప్పుడు వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తారు, వాష్ చేసేటప్పుడు దే యాడ్ సమ్ కాస్టిక్ సోడా. సారీ, నాట్ కాస్టిక్ సోడా, వాషింగ్ సోడా. ఐఎమ్ వెరీ సారీ చిల్డ్రన్. They add washing soda. This washing soda is a strongest chemical which can remove the stains. ఇది వాషింగ్ సోడా ఏం చేస్తుందంటే స్టెయిన్స్ రిమూవ్ చేస్తుంది. స్టెయిన్స్ మీన్స్ మరకలు. బట్టల మీద ఏమైనా మరకలు పడితే అవి రిమూవ్ చేయడానికి వాషింగ్ సోడా వేసి వాళ్ళు వేడివేడి నీళ్ళల్లో నానబెడతారు బట్టలు. ఓకే, why because it is a strong chemical. This is a very strong chemical which can remove the stains. మరకల్ని వదిలిగొట్టేస్తుంది. అలాంటి స్ట్రాంగ్గా ఉన్న వాటిని ఈ సిల్క్ ఉలెన్ మీద యూజ్ చేసామనుకో ఫైబర్ మొత్తం స్మాష్ అయిపోతుంది, తొందరగా చిరిగిపోతుంది, పాడైపోతుంది. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, సో టు అవాయిడ్ సచ్ కండిషన్ the materials like silk and woolen, they have to wash with mild detergents. చాలా తక్కువగా వేసి డిటర్జెంట్స్ని వాష్ చేయాలి. ఇఫ్ యూ అబ్జర్వ్ ఆల్సో చిల్డ్రన్, దీస్ సిల్క్ క్లోత్ శారీస్ కెన్ బి సమ్ టైమ్ వాష్డ్ విత్ షాంపూ. కావాలంటే మీ మమ్మీ వాళ్ళని అడిగి చూడండి. దే విల్ వాష్ దోస్ సిల్క్ శారీస్ విత్ పుట్టింగ్ దెమ్ ఇన్ ద షాంపూస్. ఓకే, అండ్ if you know this one, see sometimes the pattu sarees or the silk sarees, they are sent for cleaning without water. That method is called as dry cleaning. DRY, dry, CLEANING, dry cleaning. What is this method? In the dry cleaning method, the people wash the silk sarees or the any silk cloth without using the water. Okay, that is a separate process which is called as dry cleaning. Kalanti chudandi, you ask your mother about this one also. Pattu చీరలు, సిల్క్ చీరలు, వీటిని డ్రై క్లీనింగ్ కి ఇస్తూ ఉంటారు. If you go and watch in Gajuwaka Center, you will find this dry cleaning shops. Okay children, Mangalagiri complex. Okay, if you identify, go there, you can find this dry cleaning shops where they don't use water to clean or iron. Sorry. They use dry cleaning methods to wash the silk and pattu sarees. So children, as I was saying that taking care of clothes is very important. Either it could be cotton or wool or leather or silk or woolen, any cloth. For example, I'll say you a small thing. If you are having leather jackets at your home, leather jackets. See, generally we use these leather jackets in the rainy season or during the winter season. So what happens if you do not use them and put them aside? If you do not use them and put them aside, what happens? After few months, you can observe whitish layer formed on the leather. ఒక తెల్లటి పొరలాంటిది ఆ లెదర్ జాకెట్స్ మీదకి వచ్చేస్తుంది. Why it is there like that? Why it is there? Because the climate or the wetness outside will form that whitish layer on the leather jackets. Not only the jackets, any material which is made up of leather. Why? Because the leather is nothing but the skin of the animals. Okay, children, that is one thing. And also, see, as I said that silk sarees or pattu sarees, you do not quite often use them. ఎక్కువసార్లు యూజ్ చేయం. ఎప్పుడో ఫంక్షన్స్కో పార్టీస్కో అట్లా వెళ్ళినప్పుడు మాత్రమే యూజ్ చేస్తాం. సో వాట్ యూ డూ ఇస్ యూ ఫోల్డ్ దెమ్ అండ్ పుట్ దెమ్ ఇన్ ద birua. Yes, children, you put them in the almirah, right? Everybody are having almirahs at your home. So what do? You will put all these things in the almirahs. So what happens if you do not use the clothes for longer time? You can find bugs, silver moth, and bad smell. Okay. So if you are not using any clothing for a longer period of time, you can experience these things. Bugs, చిన్న చిన్న పురుగులు లాంటివి వచ్చేస్తాయి. అలాగే సిల్వర్ మాత్, ఐ థింక్ మీరు కావాలంటే అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. అదొక ఇట్లా ఇట్లా ఉంటుంది, చిన్న చిన్నవి అనమాట. యూ విల్ సీ ఇట్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ వైటిష్ కలర్. సో ద నేమ్ ఇస్ గివెన్ యాజ్ సిల్వర్ మాత్. తర్వాత బ్యాడ్ స్మెల్. చాలా రోజులు బీరువాలో పెట్టేసిన బట్టలు ఒకసారి తీసి వాసన చూడండి. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ అట్ ఆల్ గుడ్ ఫర్ యూ టు see that smell. Why? Because not proper storing of these clothes will give rise to the bugs, silver moth, or the bad smell. ఇక్కడ మనం ఎలా ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేయొచ్చు? ఇన్ సచ్ కండిషన్స్ హౌ వీ కెన్ ప్రొటెక్ట్ అవర్ క్లోత్స్ ఆర్ టేక్ కేర్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ clothes? What you have to do is, sometimes, see, if you are not using any clothing, what you have to do? At a particular interval of time, you have to take them and put them in the hot sun. Okay, కొంతసేపు ఎండలో ఆరబెట్టాలి. So what is the reason is, if any wetness is there, if any of the bugs or the silver moths are there, they will die because of the heat of the sun. That is the first simple technique. And the other technique, you can also use naphthalene balls. Have you ever seen this, children? White colored balls. In the almirahs you will find the white colored balls, scented balls. They will give nice good smell. Okay, those are called as naphthalene balls. Okay, so these naphthalene balls, sometimes what you do, if you are having grandmothers, you can experience with them. So what they'll do, they'll bring the naphthalene balls and they will put in the almirahs in between the cloths. అంటే బట్టల మధ్యలో వేసేస్తారు. So that the naphthalene balls, the scented smell of the naphthalene balls will not attract the insects. ఇట్లా సిల్వర్ మాత్ కానీ బగ్స్ కానీ రాకుండా ఉండడానికి యూజ్ అవుతుంది. అలాగే the bad smell will not be there on the clothes. So children, taking care of clothes is very important so that your clothes can be for a longer period of time. చాలా కాలం వాటిని వాడుకోవచ్చు. You can use them very carefully. Okay, you have to take care of them so that they can give you much more dignity. Yes, children. So I hope that you have understood this lesson very well. Our clothes. So we have discussed many points regarding what are the different fabrics that we get and how, in what way the clothes are useful to us, and also what are the uniforms that have been worn by different professional people, and also taking care of the clothes. If you do all these things, see children, the clothes are protecting us. They are covering our body, they are protect from the insect bites or the dust, and also they give us some dignity. See, wherever you go, if you go in a well-dressed manner, so definitely they will feel, wow, very nice. If you go in old and dirty clothes, yes, they will say, no, not at all good, right? So the clothes itself are giving you a dignity as a person. So always you have to wear good clothes or good colored clothes And also you have to wear them according to your comfort. What kind of clothes we are wearing according to the seasons. See, you cannot wear a woolen cloth or a woolen coat or hat during the summer season. Why? Because you cannot bear that heat, right? So cotton clothes have been worn by people during the summer season, and the woolen clothes are being worn by the people during the winter or the cold seasons. So children, that's all for this video. Hope you have enjoyed the video and learned more things about clothes. So we will meet very soon in our next videos. Please try to read the textbook part and also do the given homeworks regularly and complete your classworks with a neat handwriting. So children, let us meet very soon. Take care. Thank you.